Investing in ETFs and companies with high dividend yields brings you various benefits as an investor. On the one hand, you can use the dividends to generate additional passive income. And on the other hand, it means you don't have to check your brokerage account daily to see if your shares have risen or fallen. The goal of this video is to help you increase the average dividend yield of your investment portfolio, so you can reach the additional income in the form of dividends you receive from the companies you're invested in. The following two stocks with high dividend yields can be considered attractive at the moment, and therefore an excellent choice to build passive income from stock investments. Number 1. Verizon. While the S&P 500 index returned -19.44% in 2022, Verizon stock returned -24.44% over the same period. Meanwhile, the telecom giants' competitors such as AT&T and T-Mobile have performed much better. At the same time, however, Verizon's poor performance in 2022 has contributed to the company's stock being available at an attractive price. The P/E ratio of Verizon stock is around 9. In assessing its current valuation, it can be pointed out that it is half the sector median, 18.46, which may serve as a first indicator that the company is currently undervalued. Thus, Verizon may be an attractive option for investors seeking to achieve a relatively high dividend yield, as the company provides shareholders with a dividend yield in excess of 6%. This dividend yield is better than that of rival AT&T, and T-Mobile is not paying any dividends at the moment. Number 2. Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is an exchange-traded fund managed by Charles Schwab. Why might it be an attractive option for income investors? There are several reasons for this. The ETF currently offers not only an attractive dividend yield of 3.32%, but also an attractive dividend growth rate. Its dividend growth rate over the past 5 years is 13.74%. While it's true that the iShares Select Dividend ETF and iShares Core High Dividend ETF provide shareholders with a higher dividend yield, their dividend growth rates over the past 5 years are significantly lower, 6.98% and 4.73%, respectively, than those of the Charles Schwab Fund, 13.74%. These two stocks in particular could help you increase the average dividend yield of your investment portfolio over the long term. Both provide you with an attractive dividend yield, while both offer dividend growth. While the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF has posted a dividend growth rate of 13.74% over the past 5 years, Verizon has posted an annual growth rate of 2.06% over the same period. So, if you're looking for investments that would increase your portfolio's average dividend yield while seeking to reduce its volatility, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF and Verizon could be excellent choices for you.